up, guys? In today's video we'll be installing these Type R style headlights on the Retrofit source website. I'll be installing onto my 2018 Hatch. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of clips of the installation, then I'll give you guys an overview. So let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so after a couple hours I finally finished. I probably look all dirty and crazy right now, but I don't care, man. The finished product made it all worth it, man. So I did a majority of it by myself. I got a little bit of help from my dad and my neighbor, but for the most part I did it by myself. And a couple things I do recommend. I definitely recommend doing this with someone the whole way. It'll just make things a lot easier and a lot faster. And everything is, for the most part, it's pretty easy, but man, there's this one screw. I'm gonna leave a picture on the screen. Terrible. You gotta be very careful that you don't drop it in the engine bay, and it's a pain in the butt to screw it back in. So I'm gonna leave a picture on the screen so you guys can check it out. But other than that, like I said, everything's pretty easy. Let me show you guys how it turned out. You guys can check it. Let's see. Looks dope. Looks 100 times better than the stock headlights. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna give you guys some cinematic footage. I'm gonna give you guys my overview. Probably I'll give it a week so I can see how it runs, see how bright they are when I drive. But I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's been a while since I've installed the headlights, and all I can say is that I'm really satisfied with the way they came out. I'm happy with the performance, the way they look, and I haven't had any issues with them whatsoever. Definitely a high quality product from the Retrofit source. I definitely recommend it, and it's worth the price that you have to pay. I'm also going to leave a video for you guys to show you how bright the headlights are and how far they reach in front of the car, and I'm going to leave a link down in the description, so if you want the headlights that I have, you can go ahead and snag those. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, or you can message me on my Instagram. I'm active on both accounts, and I'm always answering questions and comments. Thank you for checking out the video and supporting the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.